गोंय विधानसभेच्या अधिवेशनाची सुरवात 3 फेब्रुवारीच्यान जातली. विधानसभा अधिवेशना खातीर आमदारांनी प्रश्न विचारल्यात. आमदार विजय सरदेसाईन विचारिल्ल्या प्रश्नांतल्यान चडशे प्रश्न गायब जाल्ल्यान तांणी अजाप उक्तायला. गोंय राज्याक म्हत्वाचे आसात आनी तांचेर विधानसभा सभाघरांत चर्चा जावप गरजेचें आशिल्ल्यान आपणे 15 प्रश्न विचारिल्ले. तातूंतल्यान अर्दे प्रश्नच गायब केल्यात, अशें सरदेसाय म्हणटा. आपले म्हत्वाचे प्रश्न चर्चेक कित्याक घेनात हाची जाप दिवची म्हूण विधानसभा सचिवाक पत्र बरयलां, अशें विजय सरदेसाय म्हणटा.
That is now cropping up of questions, the mystery of the disappearing questions. So I spoke to them and the legislature secretary was saying na tashen jaung na. I have given them specific questions of mine. See, we have a 5-day session. So एक मनशाक 3 start question घालपाक परवानगी आसता. 3 into 5 म्हळ्यार 15 क्वेश्चन आसूंक जाय. म्हजे 15तले 7 क्वेश्चन गेल्या आनी खंयच्या इश्यूचेर गेल्या. फर्स्ट इज द ड्रग मेनेस, सेकंड इज द संजीवनी शुगर फॅक्टरी, थर्ड इज द controversial circular on occupancies for panchayats, fourth is the changes in the town planning department, fifth is the wasteful expenditure by tourism department, sixth is the Saligaon garbage treatment plant, seventh is the Sosado garbage. So हाजेर अशें जाता की 7 out of 15 questions are disallowed. Now, almost half of my questions,
so these are basically disallowed, not missing.
Disallowed or missing खंय तरी नाच जाल्या. They are saying no, all of them are being answered. They are saying that my questions are maybe they were asking too much in detail, and so I don't know, whatever. But let them say. I have pointed out this to them. I have written a letter to them. This is the questions I find missing, and please give me an explanation.